Alright, let's go to the Lowe's here because I just realized that my washing machine just broke. So I'm going to Lowe's to look for a new washing machine. Hopefully it's not so expensive because I've got a lot of expenses, and now this unexpected expense came up. I just realized that my washing machine doesn't work anymore. It's a washing machine I bought at Sears about 5-6 years ago, and now it's broken. But now Sears is out of business, so we can't buy it at Sears anymore. So we'll just go to Lowe's and see if they have a washing machine I can use here at Lowe's. I'm sure they have a pretty good selection of washing machines here at Lowe's. Oh look, they're already starting to sell Halloween stuff here. No, they always have pretty good Halloween decorations here every Halloween. Look at this giant mummy skeleton and a witch. Skull. Hey there, how you doing? Look at this, they got this little creepy display here. They always go all out on Halloween. We got Michael Myers, we got Jason, and we got Freddy. I don't know who this guy is. And Chucky over there, see Chucky? And 2 other children that I don't know. Ooh, look at this. That's your hand. See what happens. What's him doing? Man, that actually scared me. Look at that. Oh dear. That scared the shit out of me. Here's a scary clown. Wonder if it does anything. Does it do anything? I don't think it does anything. And the characters up top. And here are your skeletons, as you can see. Hey, how you doing over there? I should have stopped smoking long ago. Look at me now. Alright, where are the washing machines at? Over here. Appliances. Washing machine. I don't think we need a dryer though, but I'm gonna look at dryers anyway. Let's, oh shit, I forgot the measuring tape. I'll come back, I need the measuring tape. Alright, let's do what we came here for, looking at washers, which is over here. Here are all the washers in the appliance section here. Let's see what we got. You want a top loading or a front loading? We even got washers with Wi-Fi. Okay. Look at all these fancy washers. Oh, these are dryers. These aren't washers. These are dryers. I might need that, but what I want is washers. It's a nice one, a Samsung. Samsung's good, right? How do you know which is which? This one is the front loader. This is a dryer. This is a dryer. Here's a GE one for 568. It's a nice simple one. It's got the little agitator. Yeah. Simple. This is the matching dryer. But I kind of want one that has a clear top like this one, so you can see what's going on in there. This one's a little more expensive. This one's $698. This is a Whirlpool. I like it because it has a clear top. You can see what's happening inside. And then this was a nice simple one. It's only $5.28. Simple, just like the one we have now. Before I continue, I gotta find the bathroom. I gotta find the bathroom and take a leak. Really bad. Somewhere around here. He said up in the front. So let's go look for it somewhere around here. Oh, there it is, restroom. Let's go. Restroom. This is kind of what I'm leaning towards. It's a Samsung. It's a good brand. It's got a clear top, you see, and it's $698. It's not too cheap and it's not too expensive. Here's another Samsung with a clear top. This is a little bit cheaper. This is $628. But it's got a clear top and it's nice. Looks like simple controls. Maybe I'll get this one here. Maybe even one of these more expensive ones, an LG. This is almost $1,000. It's nice. Here are some front loaders. They do say front loaders clean better. Well, it must be a dryer. This is a front loading washer right here. This is an LG. LG is a good brand, right? Anyway, a front loading washer. They say it cleans better, but the problem is you have to like bend down and stuff to wash. Where are the Samsung ones? Here's some front loaders. This is $698. This is also $698. And here's the top loader. Look at that. It's nice. It's a Samsung. Samsung's a good brand. This one's $768. Hello. Here's a brand called Hot Point. Is that a good brand? Does anybody know if Hot Point is a good brand? Another top loader. Nice simple machine. This one's only $478. Less than $500 for this one. Same with this one. $478, but this is a front loader. See that? That's a front loader. Ooh. Yeah, it does feel kind of rickety. Maybe that's why it's only $478. $558, a little bit more expensive. This is a GE though. This is a General Electric. Another front loader. Okay. Front loader. This is another GE 558 top loader. They got free delivery on appliance purchases of $396 or more. That's good. But I don't see free installation. That's another sticking point. Here's a Maytag top loader with a clear top. I like the clear top. This was $848. We're getting a little more expensive now, but it's down from $1149. Look at this. Somebody bought the last one here. Whatever this is. This was a Whirlpool. $728. Must have been really nice because they took the floor model. It was the last one. The rest of them are still here though. We're moving through the light aisle. All kinds of light fixtures, light bulbs, light hangers. When they say, "Let there be light," they must have meant the light aisle here at the Home Depot. Well, I guess that's about it for this vlog. If you like it, please hit the like button. And if you like it enough to subscribe, then by all means, please do subscribe. That would be nice. So, anyway, until next week, in the next vlog, I will have to leave you with happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. Keep smiling until then. Happy trails to you till we meet again. Happy trails, partners! Ah.